Shaping mankind's future involves crafting the architecture of change. The last few decades have attributed to the establishment of Penang's limitless potential. Penang's transition from a traditional seaport economy into the Silicon Valley of the East began in 1972.
The arrival of a pioneer multinational corporation has heralded the development of a robust ecosystem of ancillary industries in Penang. This, coupled with establishment of Malaysia's first free trade zone in Bayar Lepas, Penang, has cemented Penang's position as a conducive location for MSC offshore manufacturing sites.
Over the years, Penang progressively became a key location for global leaders in back-end semiconductor assembly and testing, surfacing as a location for offshore design and development activities. As we progress, Penang also emerged as one of the critical locations for renowned companies' global supply chain, transforming into a thriving regional hub for the leaders in semiconductor, equipment manufacturing, and medical technology industries. Today, Penang has positioned itself as the country's industrialization hub and a key focal point for investment inflows and external trade. In 2021, Penang topped the nation's list by attracting 76 billion ringgit worth of investments, primarily from global tech giants' strategic projects, and recorded all-time high exports of 354 billion ringgit. To build a great change, mankind must exceed its own expectations. With continuous efforts to grow and chart a future legacy, Penang's embrace of technology and digitalization is approaching a new era of industrialization, where dynamism meets infinite opportunities, an emblem of the future, united for a common goal, presenting 50 years of excellence and beyond.
This forthcoming journey and vision is an exciting one to mark our continuous growth in Penang State, Malaysia and beyond. Celebrating the 50th anniversary of Penang's transformation, the state is cognizant of the emerging trends and strives to maintain our competitive edge by penetrating into high value-added activities while building up the existing industrial clusters.
Helmed with 13 focused themes, public-private partnerships were established with industry leaders to demonstrate Penang's successful transformation and forward-looking plans. With half a century of industrial experience, Penang has successfully cultivated a strong industrial ecosystem and is now home to more than 350 top-tier MNCs.
The proliferation of technology transformation has sparked the demand spurred for innovative offerings, and Penang's innovation ecosystem is poised to fuel the industry players with endless possibilities. Penang is the most important manufacturing base for the electronic and electrical products within Malaysia, and is among the most vibrant hubs globally, accounting for over 5% of global semiconductor sales.
Banking on the exponential growth potential in medtech, Penang strives to anchor its position as a thriving spot for medical devices, while elevating towards becoming a hub for the APAC region. Penang has over 200 companies with GBS and ICT operations that serve the global or Asia-Pacific operations, creating over 15,000 high-value jobs to power the next-gen operating models. Going from aspiration to action, Penang is on a healthy pipeline to establish a dedicated space technology ecosystem hub serving the ASEAN markets. Penang's strong and rigorously enforced intellectual property climate has helped create a sustainable environment conducive to advanced manufacturing, R&D, and other knowledge-intensive activities for innovation and invention. Leveraging cutting-edge technologies, Penang is making inroads to transform the traditional agricultural and food manufacturing techniques towards achieving better operational efficiency. Penang's conducive environment has created many success stories of locally employed engineers turned technopreneurs, making names for themselves in the global arena. Penang's entrepreneurial ecosystem has witnessed a growing number of local tech startups that have propelled beyond the home country with their state-of-the-art creations. Upholding a live-work-play balanced lifestyle with well-developed infrastructure and digital connectivity, positioning Penang as the preferred workplace among the talent. The Penang state government is implementing multi-pronged approaches to deepen the skills and capabilities of the talent in Penang, shaping the future needs of the industry. ESG is the wave of the future. The adoption of sustainability measures among businesses in Penang is on the rise, and the state pledged to make quantum leaps forward in the ESG agenda. Transformation from labor to leader, planning to participate. A nation for a destiny to reach is here. Steering Penang towards a high-income economy, driven by digitalization, sustained excellence, and innovation.
The future of Penang's growth depends on all to have the willpower and courage to sail without hesitation. 50 years of excellence and beyond. A vision, a promise, and a hope for the future generations.